Yeah, hi, this is John again, and today we are doing crown molding. I have Rich up here. He's installing it. Say hi, Rich.
Hi.
Rich. Anyway, this is what's going on here. The secret with crown molding is making the corners cut properly. And that's not an easy thing to do, but I think Rich has been doing this for a few years. But if you take a look here, there's two kinds of corners. Actually, it's also good to have a nail gun. Sorry for the noise here, but that makes the job go a lot quicker. Right now he's working on the outside corner, so we'll focus in here a little bit. That's the outside corner. So that has a specific cut to it. And then as we go all the way along on this side of the wall, that's an inside corner. You can see how that's cut. It's cut in the opposite direction of the outside corner. And he's going to put up another board right next to it. See if I can get that in the picture here. I'm going to stand back because it's a little noisy with the nail gun. So you can take a look. He's putting that together now. So he's got the inside corner, the outside corner over here. And of course, as we get around into the next room, you see somebody else's hands. That's not Rich. Say hi, Antonio.
Hi.
Hi. So we're coming around. You can see the joint looks a little separated, but they're going to tighten that up with a few nails and so on. It's going to look really nice when it's done. So that's how we work on crown molding. Let me spin you around here a little bit. Hopefully this doesn't make you too dizzy. And I'm going to show you where some of the crown molding has already been totally complete. And by the way, that's a nice little mantle that we built earlier at the same house here. Now here's a piece of crown that has been installed earlier today, installed, and it's ready for paint. You can see the inside corner and how nice the miter joint is there. And I'm going to follow along here because I want to show you something on the very end. What happens when you have a situation like we do in this room where you have that mantle, and we don't want to connect the crown molding to this mantle because the crown molding above the mantle is actually a taller crown molding, and it just wouldn't look nice. So what we did here is we made a return. See that little end piece? That's called a return on the crown molding above the mantle. Now, let me bring you around here a little bit. Take a look at this neat little stop here. And actually, that's a stop. We didn't make that. We bought that over at Home Depot. So that's a real cool way to stop a piece of crown molding without having to do a return or any miter cuts. So anyway, that gives you a quick look of how we install crown molding. Take care.